Welcome to WCrypto.
Hello, my friends. Welcome back to WCrypto. Remember when I talked about the DXY's impact on Bitcoin? Well, it's playing out just as we discussed. The DXY dipped from 100, 1.3 to 100.91, and Bitcoin hitting our target at $60,400. Currently, Bitcoin's testing support at $59,300. It's fascinating to see these horizontal lines in action. I almost removed them, but they're proving their worth. Now on to the big news from Friday. Bitcoin ETFs saw a whopping $263,200,000 inflow. Fidelity and ARK Invest alone contributed about $100 million each. This influx is setting up for potentially significant moves, especially with the FOMC meeting coming up on September 18th and quad witching. Keep an eye on the liquidation level at $60,895. If Bitcoin reaches there, we might see another upward push. I'm definitely bullish on this. Let's watch how these events influence Bitcoin's trajectory. I hope you're having a great weekend. Make sure to like, subscribe, and ring that bell for more insights. And see you in the next one.